What is up, guys? Welcome back to Reefs. What is going on? Today we are going to be talking about how you can make your first $100 on Instagram. I'm going to be going over 3 ways you can get to your first $100 goal on Instagram in today's video. If you guys could leave a like, I would really appreciate it. Also helps with the YouTube algorithm a lot. I also made my bed for this video, and that took a little bit of time, like 30 seconds. And I would just really appreciate it. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe with that bell notification turned on so that you guys won't miss any of my amazing, great, fantastic, crazy, wild videos. Alright, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first way of making money to get to your $100 goal on Instagram is shoutouts. A lot of people are out there wanting promotion for whatever they have to sell, or if they just want promotion for their page. A lot of people are willing to pay a certain amount for just exposure on your Instagram account. Depending on how many followers and how much engagement you get on your post, the more or less you can charge. For my personal account with 80,000 followers, for my feed posts, it's $100 per hour for promotion. If you have from 10,000 to 50,000 followers, depending on your engagement, you could probably get to your $100 goal pretty quickly just from doing promotions. You could sell story shoutouts for probably $25, no problem. Make sure to negotiate the prices and get as much as you can for each deal. If you have a decent amount of followers, it will only take a few promotions to get to your $100 goal. So that was one way to get to your $100 goal. Another way to get to your $100 goal is to start dropshipping or sell a product. You could create your own product and make your own website, but in my opinion, it's probably a lot easier just to dropship. If you don't know what dropshipping is, I'll give you guys a little textbook definition right here. It's pretty much where you find a product from like AliExpress or a third-party website, and pretty much you make your own website listing that product from AliExpress or wherever onto the website, and you upcharge the original product on your website, sell it on Instagram or wherever you plan on selling the product. You ship the product directly from AliExpress or your third party to their home without even touching the product ever. This is a really good way to get to your $100 goal. People make millions of dollars a year just from doing this, and e-commerce is doing really well due to the sickness recently. Now, this way of getting to your $100 goal is a little bit more difficult than selling promotions. You actually kind of have to know what you're doing and be able to make a Shopify website and also correctly market and ship these products. But if you're willing to put in the time and effort to do dropshipping, then I think it could be really profitable for you, and it will really help you get to your $100 goal quickly. That was the second way of making money to get to your first $100 on Instagram. The third and final way of making money for this video that I have for you guys is to sign up for this app called the Plug app. I mention this app a lot in my videos, and there's a reason for that. I'm not being paid or anything by them. I've just found that this is the best way of making money for smaller pages on Instagram, and how I've actually made most of my money is through this app. Plug app is an app of offers that you guys can get for apps, and they will pay you a certain amount for each download depending on the app. Plug app also gives you free ads for all of these apps. So all you have to do is choose which ad that you guys want for each app, download it, copy the link, put it in your bio, and then post the ad. You will get paid a certain amount of money for each download that you get for the app. Then when you earn $20 in earnings, you can cash out to your PayPal or bank account. You can also cash out every day, and that's what I did. I didn't even have that many followers, and I was still able to make quite a decent amount of money using this app. So if you don't have that many followers, I would suggest this one a lot, because you guys can still make a decent amount of money and get to your $100 goal pretty quickly. If you guys want to use my referral codes for the Plug app, I would really appreciate it. You'll get some free plug coins, and with that, you guys can trade it in for cash. And anyways, this is all I had for this video. If you guys did enjoy or found anything helpful, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe with post notifications turned on. If you guys have any questions, I'm happy to answer all of them down below in the comments. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Reefs, and peace out, YouTube.